Today I'm heading to Universal for a hotel tour, the new Stella Nova, and then I have a job interview today. My main focus for the past 10 years has been taking care of the kids. So today I'm dropping them off real quick and I'm gonna go home and get ready. Now they're all 3 in school, so now I have a little bit more of a chance to do what I want to do and start creating something that I'm proud of and creative and something that we can all benefit on financially from our family. Okay, I'm headed out the door, headed to Stella Nova. We'll see how the Florida traffic treats me today. I never considered being a content creator. I really did try for years and years and years to get an actual corporate job. It just never worked out for me. The name of the game was do what you can when you can. So I just started creating content to gain leads for my travel agent business, and it started gaining momentum and actually started getting followers and subscribers and selling digital plans. So I decided let's do this. Let's see where it goes, I do not know where Google is taking me. The new area where Epic Universe is being built. Oh, and I can kind of see it. It's cool. Wow, this is a nice area.
Of course, we're in front of Universe is Epic Universe, so I think that's one of the main selling points for this hotel. It is a prime value property, meaning it does include early park admission. They do have a walking trail to Universe's Epic Universe that is going to happen once they open. They're dual coasters, so if you were here when we had Dueling Dragons and Islands of Adventure, it is similar. This one has one called the Celestial Spin, so at one time both cars are going to be spinning together, which is crazy. I did that roller coaster first and last. I'm never going to go again, but I did it for science. It is extremely fun.
Is it pretty intense?
It is pretty intense. If you've been in Velocicoaster, I think and then theming, what I like at the nighttime, the track is not going to be lit up, only the cars. So it's going to seem like you're in constellations or a shooting star or something like that, which is super fun. But yeah, it's
This hotel is pretty cool. It's right across from Epic Universe. It's walking distance. Are you gonna do tours for the Helios before it opens, or?
we're trying to. So we're trying to at least for you guys to see it before. I know Terra Luna opened.
Good thing about going on these tours is that you get all the detailed information, which I love to have. So I always take the opportunity to go on these tours. Here's the merchandise store. I think I'll do a little TikTok and show previews of Universal merch. I think that'll do really well. Well, that was a very successful tour and very cool to see a brand new hotel. I just love going in hotels. They're just so cool. I just love looking at all the different aspects. I mean, Epic Universe is literally, I'm staring at, I think I'm looking at the Harry Potter world, the Stardust coasters, the racing coasters, and I can see Super Mario World. This hotel is only an 8-minute walk. That is so cool. So I can't wait to show you guys this tour. It's so weird. Crunch Fitness had sent me a request for interview